Hi, I'm Samuel with Universal Tool and Engineering. I wanted to show you guys a little basic overview of the CNC tube bender we have here today. Okay guys, we're going to start at the front of the bender here. This is our head assembly, and this whole head assembly moves left and right and up and down. This would be your bend head, which is what you'd call your C-axis. This is your bend die. This is your clamp die bolster, your clamp die, your pressure die bolster, your pressure die. This is your PDA also, and it moves back and forth. This is your wiper die. If we had a wiper die on this machine, this is where it'd mount. Okay, so now we're here at the carriage. This is what would move the tube back and forth and rotate it as we're bending. This is your servo motor for your B axis. This is where all the magic happens with the B. And your Y, this is your servo motor. It's on a gear track that moves back and forth. This right here is your mandrel unit, and that moves your mandrel back and forth inside of the tube. And this is your lube unit that will lube it as it's bending. Okay guys, this is our hydraulic unit. This is the unit itself, hydraulic oil. We usually put about 3/4 of a gauge. And this is our hydraulic motor, valves, filter, more valves back here, and this is where your pressure's at right here, your gauge. All right, we're here at the back of the machine. This is our electrical cabinet. All of our electrical cabinets have this AC unit on it. And this is our air tank that fires our mandrel lube, our collet, and our tube support. That's a basic overview of our machines. Good day and safe bending.